On January 25, 2025, the New York Times reported that, despite a temporary 3-month halt on foreign military sales imposed by President Donald Trump, the U.S. government is preparing to proceed with a significant shipment of bombs to Israel. This shipment will include 1,800-84 Malawian Contentious bombs, a powerful 2,000-pound general-purpose bomb widely used by U.S. and allied forces for decades. According to an anonymous White House official, these bombs are set to be delivered to Israel as part of continued U.S. military support amid the ongoing conflict between Israel and Hamas in Gaza. The -84 Malawian Contentious is an American-made high-explosive bomb, weighing around 900 kilograms. It's known for its destructive power, with a massive blast radius capable of devastating both hardened and soft targets. This bomb is designed to deliver a large explosive payload, making it highly effective against military installations, supply lines, and heavily fortified structures. However, due to its immense power, it's often seen as too lethal for urban combat, especially in densely populated areas. This raises concerns about the potential for heavy civilian casualties, particularly in urban settings like Gaza. Despite these concerns, proponents of the bomb argue that its ability to target Hamas's fortified positions, including tunnels and weapons caches, makes it an essential tool for Israel in this ongoing conflict. The bomb's versatility is also notable, as they can be deployed by various aircraft, including Israel's F-15 and F-16 fighters. Advanced F-35 stealth fighters can also carry and deploy -84 Malawian Contentious bombs, providing Israel with a tactical edge in high-risk operations. This shipment of bombs comes at a critical time, as Israel continues its military operations in Gaza. After a brief pause in U.S. arms sales, this marks a return to normalcy in defense aid to Israel. Throughout the Biden administration's tenure, the U.S. has provided a range of munitions to Israel, including precision-guided bombs and ammunition, to bolster its defense against Hamas and other militant groups. The -84 Malawian Contentious bomb is one of the largest and most destructive weapons in the U.S. arsenal. But as Israel faces the ongoing challenge of fighting in urban environments, the use of such heavy ordnance remains controversial. While the bomb is effective in striking fortified targets, its potential for collateral damage continues to be a point of debate among military and defense circles. The decision to continue sending these bombs to Israel signals the U.S.'s ongoing support, but also raises important questions about the balance between military strategy and civilian protection in conflict zones.